Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a standard battery range dual E motor, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the max trailer tow package and the 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed camera as well with a nice tailgate step, the nice Lightning logo. We also do get a black gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection. We do get a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well, which is pretty handy. And moving to the front here, we do get that nice signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega-powered Frunk, which you can use on the key fob to open, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. Even gives you an example here that you can put golf clubs in. You do have the option to turn your light on or off, your Pro Power Onboard, more hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and you do get your storage underneath with the mobile power cord. To close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior. We got cup holders, rear vents. We do get some outlets here as well, 120 volt outlet as well. Plus you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here that we do have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 43 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do have My View, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Your center console with tons of storage. You even get little outlets down there and a little place to put your cords. You have trailer brake, Protrailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. Clicking over here, we have our camera, we have hazards, traction, all that jazz. And we do get a 360 view of our vehicle, which we do get different camera angles we can click into. I'm going to click into our bed camera. Pretty handy. You can see what's in your bed. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, drive modes, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. We're going to click into our drive modes real quick, where we have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one-pedal drive, locking differential, and hill descent. Trip energy, charge settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG13826, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.